All right, Officer Perkins, we don't have a city attorney. We're gonna have to call one on. I'm just opening up breakout room number 1 for you. Mr. Faulkner, I'm opening up breakout room number 2 for you. Trooper, I'm gonna open up breaking up room number 3 for you, and you, when the state attorney comes in, you guys can join that room.
Okay, thank you.
Who's going to be in 2 with me, Your Honor? You want me to go to 2 now?
That's just gonna be your room, and I think you'll talk to Mr. Gibson first.
Okay.
Let's call the case. It's the city of
Is there an
Detroit.
offer on it, Judge?
No, I don't think there's no reduced offers on these.
Okay.
He may want to just set a trial date if he.
Yeah. Okay.
See what happens on that day.
We'll take care of it.
Mrs. Sharita, what's your last name, ma'am?
Lewis, Lewis.
All right, good morning to you. All right,
Good morning.
This is the city of Detroit versus Dennis Allen Gibson. Case number S49331. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes.
Mr. Faulkner. Did we lose him already? I think we did.
Are you going to breakout room?
He must have.
General, what was that case number again? If you could, some rustling was going on.
I'll do it. I'll do it.
Okay.
Join the breakout room and speak. Okay, hold on, Mr. Faulkner. Hold
Sure.
on, Mr. Gibson. This is the city of Detroit versus Dennis Allen Gibson, case number SP133493331. Appearance for the record, please.
60%.
Paul Faulkner, P22994, representing the defendant. Your name, sir?
Oh, he's in the room. Go join the
Okay.
room, Mr. Faulkner, and speak with him, please.
Yes.
Goree, Goree.
It's G-O-R.
It's Gore.
Yes, sir.
Roger,
Yes, sir.
Gore. That's the last name, and Roger. I don't see anything.
No. Okay. This. I was checking in, but my first name is Roderick.
Roger.
Yeah, Roderick Gore. I had a court day with you 8/18/22 last month, and you had like said that you was gonna do all my cases 10/26, And I wanted to know, like, would you include in this court day? That's why you probably don't see nothing. But I had a court day for today, and I just wanted to make sure I checked in so that I won't miss it. But you had postponed everything to next month. I think the 26th. And I was just trying to see.
It looks like you're all on, next month. 10/21/2022. All of your cases are all next month, 10/21/2022.
All right, just
10/21/2022, October 21st,
all right.
22,
Hold on, let me,
9 a.m. All right.
all right, let me write it down. You said 10/21.
Please,
20. Sir.
10, October 21st, 2022,
All right, October 21st, 22. At what time?
at 9 a.m.
9 a.m. 9 a.m. Okay, so it's over. I can leave.
You can leave. Have a great day, sir.
All right, thank you, sir.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Dennis Allen Gibson. Mr. Gibson, can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, Dennis Gibson, Your Honor.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial. I've given you a time to speak with Mr. Faulkner in a breakout room. Mr. Faulkner, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client continues his not guilty plea, waive his right to a jury trial and asking for a bench trial date.
Okay, trial date. Is that what you want to do, sir?
Yes, sir.
Trial date is going to be November the 10th, 2022 at 9 a.m. November the 10th, 2022 at 9 a.m. If it's nothing further, sir, have a very good day. Good luck to you.
Thank you, sir.
All right, Madam Interpreter,
Yes, Your Honor.
good morning to you.
Good morning.
Can you state your name for the record, please?
Sarah Asmar, Michigan Courts Qualified Arabic Interpreter.
All right. And can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you will truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the manner now before the court and not divulge confidential communications, so help you God?
I do, Your Honor.
And do you solemnly swear or affirm that you will, to the best of your ability, translate from English to Arabic and Arabic to English?
I do.
All right, you can put your hand down, ma'am. I hope I'm getting your name correct, sir. This is the city of Detroit versus Mahmoud Al-Massoud.
هذه القضية هي مدينة ديترويت ضد السيد محمود المنسوب.
The case numbers SP 130199991 and SP 130204111. Appearance for the record, please.
Paul Faulkner, P 22994, representing defendant.
القضية المرقمة SP 130130191 والقضية المرقمة SP 130204111. أرجو تقديم أنفسكم. المحامي فولكنر قدم نفسه إنه هو اللي راح يدافع عنه.
Your name, sir?
اذكر اسمك الكامل.
محمود المنصوب.
محمود المنسوب.
Okay, I believe today is the date and time set for a pretrial. I believe you were here before and you were gonna provide the court with some documentation showing that you have plates and insurance on a vehicle. Is that my understanding correct, sir?
أعتقد أنه هذا اليوم التاريخ المحدد للمحاكمة التمهيدية، وأنت ظهرت هنا سابقا في هذه المحكمة، وعلى أساس أنه اليوم تقدم لنا أوراق أنه عندك ثبوت أنه تأمين على السيارة. هل هذا صحيح؟
نعم.
Yes.
Tell me what you got.
قل لي شنو جايب لنا اليوم؟
موجود معي على الانشورن والريجستريشن اللي طلبوا مني.
I have both the insurance and the registration.
I mean, you're gonna have to put it on the camera or something, or you want to email it to me, sir? I can't see it.
بهذه الحالة ما أقدر أشوفها. في عندك اثنين من الأشياء، يا إما تجز لي إياها بالإيميل يا إما تخليها أمام الكاميرا.
اسويها امام الكاميرا يعني موجودات.
I will show it on the camera.
اوكي.
Okay, I see the Lexus. That's good. Let's see the insurance, please.
Insurance, this one. The policy. هذا الرقم اللي موجود حق البوليسي.
The number of the policy. The number of the policy is showing on this paper.
I want to see an expiration date of the policy.
أريد أشوف تاريخ انتهاء صلاحية هذه البوليصة.
اوكي. وين انتهى؟ اوكي، هذا اللي الموجودات اخر شهر. هذا انا دائما ادفع عبر البنك، يدفعوا ياخذوا اوتوماتيك يعني. وهذا الاوراق اخر رساله اللي وصلتني.
This is the very last statement I have received. The payment is done automatically from my bank.
Push it closer. Zoom in closer.
قربها أكثر على الكاميرا. أي أكثر.
All right, I'm gonna need to see a updated policy.
أنا بدي أشوف بوليصة سارية المفعول.
اوكي، هذا لحظة، 1 second.
1 second.
هذا هو اللي موجود معي. تعطيني اوراق تجيني كل شهر، بس هم ياخذوا من البنك اوتوماتيك يعني. هذا اخر رساله اللي وصلتني تاريخ اغسطس 17/22.
This is the last statement I have received on August 17, 2022. The payment is taken automatically out of my bank account.
بدك تشوف الاكونت، بعطيك رقم الاكونت اللي اخذه من البنك يعني اخر شهر.
Would you like me to provide you with the bank account?
No, thank you. You have some other paperwork somewhere amongst those documents that provide me with the expiration date.
لا أشكرك، ما بدي الرقم. في أوراق جاية مع هذه توضح فيها تاريخ انتهاء صلاحية البوليصة. هذا اللي بدي إياه.
خلني اشوف موجوده معي هون. اعطني سكن.
Allow me a second.
let's go off the records. Jonathan, what's your last, good morning to you. What's your last name, please?
Vasquez, Vazquez.
Vazquez.
Yes.
You're saying Vasquez, V-A-Z?
Yeah, Vasquez, Vazquez.
Okay, very well.
Yes.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Asmafu and 929. Okay, I'm satisfied with the documentation you provided, sir. And at this time, I'm going to dismiss both the cases for providing valid documentation.
أنا راح أقبل بهذه الأوراق وبهذه الحالة راح أسقط كلا التهمتين الموجهة إلي.
اوكي. في معي التكتين نفسها، في معي كان ورق محكمة مثلا في شهر 10 كان الانشورن والتاج نمبر. هل هي القضية هذا تنتهي كلها مع بعض مع داعي المحكمة الثانية اللي هي موجودة معي بشهر 10 اللي هي جاء لي مع بعض التكتين؟
I have received a letter from the court to appear sometime in October. In October, I need to find out if I still need to show up or the case has been taken care of and all dismissed.
No, you disregard that, sir. If it's nothing further, you have a very good day. That clears everything up.
خلصنا من كل شيء. الموعد ما تحضر فيه بغض النظر عنه وخلصنا هلا فيك تخرج من الاجتماع.
اوكي شكرا.
All right, thank you. Thanks, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Good morning to you, APA Cole. Have a great day, sir. Good luck to you and Madam Interpreter. Thank you so much. Have a great day. All right. Good morning, APA Cole. I have Counselor Michael Dennis in the room, and he's here representing Mr. Gorecki, Chad Gorecki. I have a trooper that's I've assigned a breakout room number 3. You let me know if you want all the parties in the breakout room or just you and the trooper.
Just me and the trooper at this point. Thank you.
Very well. Good morning to you, APA Cole.
Thank you.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus April Fontavia Lockett, case number SP 1339427, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. Your name, ma'am?
April Lockett.
All right. Good morning, you counselor. Good morning.
Morning,
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial in the matter. Ms. Lockett, do you have a valid driver's license now? Mr. David, you got to
No.
put the cigarette out. All right, Ms. Lockett, do you have a valid driver's license now?
No, sir.
All right, what are you going to do about that?
I'm currently working on that. I just had to get my eyeglasses, so now I'm currently working on getting my driver's license. But I do have my registration for the vehicle. I had insurance, but the insurance expired, so I haven't had time to renew my insurance.
Well, I know you drive. I hope you're not driving that vehicle. Then you better be catching a bus or.
No, the vehicle's down, sir. I'm not driving it at all.
All right. How much time do you need? It's gonna be, I want to see you get a valid driver's license, ma'am. October the 10th, November the 10th. You think you have a driver's license by that time?
I'm gonna try, sir. I have to go and see how they do it at the Secretary of State. Once I find out, I should be able to.
All right. When are you gonna go?
I'm gonna try to go now so I can be prepared for it.
All right. I have officers in the breakout.
Okay, Judge.
All right. We'll set another pretrial for your client, Mr. Faulkner, on November the 10th, 2022 at 8:30. All right.
Okay, Your Honor.
Nothing further, ma'am. Good luck to you, and please try to get that driver's license. All right, we'll get you an offer on that day.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Have a great day, ma'am.
You too.
Judge, I'm gonna swing by a couple and I'll zoom in.
All right.
I can leave now.
You free to leave. Have a great weekend.
Thank you, Madam Clerk.
You too. Thank you.
All right. David Lyons.
I'm waiting.
Oh,
Here.
guys, Lyons smoking a cigarette. All right. This is City of Detroit versus David Terrell Lyons. Case number is SP 106-82661, SP 1264536, counts 1, 2, and 3, and SP 1264581. Appearance for the record, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. And your name, sir?
David Lyons.
Also calling to the record, SP 106-8266, count 2. That matter's in default. I'm willing to set that matter aside. It happened during the pandemic, so I routinely allow it to be heard on those cases. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Let's see. I'm gonna have to get it off from you, sir. I can get it off for you, or I can just set a trial date for you, and you can deal with it all on the date of trial. What would you like to do? You want to wait on an offer? You want to deal with it on the date of trial?
Now we're on me, right? Because I heard you call somebody else's name too. Are we on me or are we on another person?
We're on you.
Okay.
You're David Lyons, correct?
Yes. Well, I mean, we could take care of it today if possible.
All right. Let's set the matter aside. Get you an offer, and then if you like the offer, you can take it. If you don't, you can still set it for trial.
Okay, so I didn't catch the beginning of it because I had heard you call in somebody else's name. Could you repeat the offer again, please?
I haven't given the offer yet. I have to wait on the city attorney to get you the offer.
Well, sorry, my phone just rang. What you said you haven't given the offer? What now?
I haven't given you an offer yet. I have to wait on the city attorney. She's going to give you the offer, and then I'll avail the offer to you, and then you let us know whether you want to take the offer or you want to set it for trial.
Okay, well, yes, I'll. I guess so. I guess I'll be waiting for her to come in. Then is that it?
Okay. Yeah, just stand by. We'll pass the matter.
Okay, so.
You want to speak to Counselor Dennis?
Yes.
However it goes, as long as I can take care of it today, whatever I need to do.
All right. Stand by, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right, I'm gonna put you back in the break. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room, Counselor. You speak to APA Cole and see if you guys can work this out. And
I think we have.
he's in the breakout room.
Oh, which one, 2?
3, the one you just left.
Oh, I'm sorry, Judge. I'm so sorry. Thank you.
Goss, Olivia Goss.
I'm here.
Where's Olivia Goss?
I'm right here.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
City of Detroit versus Olivia Janae Goss, case number SP 1198505, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Paul Faulkner, representative defendant. And your name, ma'am?
Olivia Goss.
All right, today is the date and time set for a show cause. Go ahead and arraign your client, Counselor.
Your Honor, my client pleads not guilty or stands mute, waits formal reading.
All right, I mean, I'm not guilty plea in your client. You have give her a $0 bond. Ma'am, on this ticket here, the only offer, which I call a non-offer, is pleading to the amended count of open intox motor vehicle passenger. Why I call it a non-offer is because this open intox in the motor vehicle driver is an alcohol-related offense on your driver's license. It's a $240 fine is what I'll fine you about it, and it's going to be 2 points on your license. The amended count of open intox passenger, the only thing that the city attorney is amending and willing to amend this one to is also an alcohol-related offense on your driving record of 2 points on your driving record and the same $240 fine. That offer will be open on the date of trial, so you can do no worse. You can only do better, or it will stay the same. You can speak to Mr. Faulkner in a breakout room if you choose to, and he can explain everything I just went over. So what would you like to do, ma'am?
Sir, I spoke to you before. I was pregnant when I spoke to you. I wasn't here. I was in Atlanta. My sister, she was driving in her car. On the license.
Say no more, ma'am. Say no more. Let's set a trial date.
We did that, and I wasn't able to provide evidence because I've called Delta to try to get the itinerary and everything. I don't have like any resources to show, like, because I don't work for them anymore, because I can't because of the misdemeanor.
Okay.
I've been trying to go to court for it.
Let me stop. Please. And with this matter, what you're telling me, and what I understand that you're telling me, correct me if I'm wrong, is that this is not you, right?
Correct.
Okay, so we have to set a trial date. There's no other way around it. We're gonna set a trial date again, and you're gonna be, it's gonna be your responsibility. You're absolutely innocent until proven guilty. It's the city's burden to prove you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. However, I think we went over this last time. If you have some evidence that
I don't have any evidence, and I'm not able to bring any up. I've called everywhere.
Around it is to go to trial. Let me let you speak to Mr. Faulkner in a breakout room, and he can sort of explain things to you better and more concise, so that you get a better understanding of what's going on. All right.
Well, the only thing is, if I'm not able to go to court for it, like now, I work for Delta. So this is like where I've been working for years, and I haven't been able to resume until I get it resolved.
Why wouldn't you? How would this affect you working? I don't know what else to do for you. Join the breakout room and let Mr. Faulkner, you explain everything. You'll have a private conversation with Mr. Faulkner and then explain everything to him. But I don't see why this is, well, she's gone. All right, Mr. Faulkner, join the breakout room, please.
Your Honor, what about the other 2 charges or 3? Was their offer included the dismissal on something?
Yeah, just plead to the open intox in the motor vehicle passenger
And everything else dismissed? Okay,
$240 fine. I mean, if she's saying it,
yeah.
well, essentially she can't plead to anything because she's not willing to make a factual basis.
Yeah.
She's saying it's to her.
Yeah, I understand. I just wanted to have all the facts when I went in there.
I got you.
Okay.
All right. Okay, Mr. Dennis and APA Cole, have you guys resolved this matter?
We have, Judge.
All right, this is the state of Michigan versus Chad Anthony Borgecki. Case number SX4073076. Appearance for the record, please.
May it please the court, Paula Cole on behalf of the people, P31888.
Good morning, Judge. For the record, Michael Dennis, P35279 on behalf of Mr. Gorecki.
Okay, today is the date and time set for a formal hearing. Trooper, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Trooper Al-Kafaji, badge number 1693.
Go ahead. Who wants to proceed?
Your Honor, we had a conference and we had a chance to incorporate the troopers' thoughts on this matter, and the state is willing to amend the charge to impeding traffic.
And Your Honor, I'm authorized to enter a responsible plea to the amended charge.
Very well. Your client, I'm understanding that your client is not here, Counselor.
That's correct, Judge.
Want to waive your client's appearance?
I would waive his appearance, and I would indicate I've spoken to him regarding this, and that plea is acceptable.
Okay, I'm going to grant your motion to waive your client's appearance. This is a civil infraction, and I am going to now ask you, will you stipulate on behalf of your client to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea?
I would so stipulate, Judge.
Okay, and with that stipulation, I'm going to find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic, $175 fine. When can your client pay?
Can we have 2 weeks, Judge?
Sure. I have September 16th, 2022. He makes that payment by then. He should pay that at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. That's DIVDAT. I'm told that he can upload that DivDat app onto his phone, or he can pay that down here at the courthouse. Those are the two best ways I know to pay that. All right.
Thank you, Judge.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Dennis, and thank you, APA Paul. If there's nothing further, I'll conclude the matter. You both have a very good day.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. Have a great weekend.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good weekend.
Thank you, Trooper.
And Trooper Al-Jabari, you be safe out there.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate it.
I've been waiting since I got out.
All right, Jonathan, look, Vasquez, you're gonna wait until your name is called, so you gotta be quiet, please.
Sorry.
Who's that on the Samsung?
Richie Gamble.
Richie who?
Gamble, Gamble.
You got a formal hearing as well. All right, let's go back on the record with Miss Goss. Are you there, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay, Ms. Goss, you understand? Did you get all your questions answered by Mr. Faulkner?
Yes.
Do you understand what's going on now, ma'am?
Yes.
All right, so it's really no other way that we can solve this problem except for the fact that you come back into court. All right?
Yes.
What's the problem, man? You sound like,
Nothing. It's fine.
okay, let's give you a trial date of November the 10th, 2022 at 9 a.m., okay?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, ma'am, have a very good day, and I'll see you back on November 10th, all right? 9 a.m.
Yes, sir.
All right. All right, let's, we're still waiting on the, Officer Cochran, good morning to you. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. You can join it. We're waiting on the city attorney for, both you and the other officer and for Mr. Lyons' offer. So we're just gonna wait on her to come back. All right, now.
Okay,
let's-
thank
this called the City of Detroit versus Sharita Brantley Lewis, case number strike that. That's called the State of Michigan. Where is APA Cole? No, she, I'm gonna get her back in. All right, this is the State of Michigan versus Sharita Brantley Lewis, case number SX 392-97771. Appearance for the record, please.
Faulkner.
I think you just went off inaudible, Mr. Faulkner.
Okay, you can't hear me?
I can hear you now.
Ma'am, what is your name?
Good morning. My name is Sharita Brentley Lewis.
I don't know if you got it, but it's Paul Faulkner representing the defendant.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. This is disobeying police officer traffic signal. I got Ms. Falk. I don't have any remarks down here. Just disobeying police officer traffic signal. I summons APA Cole back to the courtroom. I do not know what, if I don't know if she's gonna even be in a position to give an offer on this. Because of the nature of the offense, she's probably gonna want to speak to either the officer or trooper or whoever wrote the ticket. But I can set you a trial date, ma'am, or you can just stand by and wait on APA Cole.
Go down the street the wrong way.
Momentarily. What would you like to do?
I could stand by.
All right, stand by, and then we'll see if we can get her back in here. She should be back momentarily.
Okay.
Okay. Let's Mr. Glass. What's your middle name, Mr. Glass?
Armand.
All right, it says you're not supposed to be back till, oh, this is September. Let me see.
Up for review, Your Honor.
Yeah, I know. I'm just saying what we discussed.
We just discussed between the 155 and I paid it.
This is the City of Detroit versus Charles Armand Glass, case number SP 124044921. Mr. Glass, state your name for the record, please.
Charles Armand Glass.
Okay. Today is the date and time set for a review. There was, where I do recall, we had I think this ticket was, sort of amended from something else. It was amended from a driver
Yes.
license suspended. All right, he paid, 155. And there's a $65 balance left, so I'm gonna waive that balance.
Okay.
'Cause I'm in agreement. And at this time, I'm gonna dismiss the case, all right?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay, if there's nothing further, sir, and I'm gonna waive $65. If there's nothing further, sir, you have a very good day. We're gonna dismiss the case at this time, all right?
Okay. Thank you, and everybody have a blessed day.
All right, you have a blessed day, have a good weekend, and good luck to you, all right?
Thank you, sir.
All right. All right, Mr. Jonathan Vasquez, you're up now.
Yes, sir.
This is City of Detroit versus Jonathan Vasquez, case number SP 1262553, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
All Funk, no representative defendant. Your name, sir?
Jonathan Vasquez.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial on the matters. Mr. Vasquez, do you have the valid registration and insurance?
Yes, I do.
Let's see those documents, please.
Okay. So the camera. So right here's the registration. They're under my grandma's name because my truck's not working at the moment, so I'm using her car.
How are you gonna show me some insurance for your grandma? And what about this GMC?
You saw it last time. Last time we were on court, you saw both of them. You saw the insurance and the registration.
So
But
why
I
didn't
wasn't
dismiss
driving.
it last time?
I don't know. You just told me you wanted to see the registration of the car I was driving that time. That's why you rescheduled our new court date. Because that truck is no longer in my possession. It's broken down pretty much. It's still at the house. It's not in use pretty much. So I'm not using it.
All right, let's see what else you have, sir.
I have the insurance and the registration for the car. For the car that I'm driving at the moment right now. There's the insurance policy.
Okay, hold on a second, turn it over. All right, that insurance is expired.
No, it's supposed to expire tomorrow. No, but I have to pay today. Yeah.
Let's see it, let's see it again. The copy you showed me is expired.
No way.
Is it not? APA Cole, let's go off the record with Mr. Vasquez. APA Cole, I have let's go back on the record with Miss Lewis. I have Miss Lewis here, and she has a disobeying a police officer traffic signal. Can you put your appearance on the record, please? Did we lose her?
No, are you talking to me?
No, we lost APA Cole.
Oh, okay.
She jumped in and we lost her.
Oh, she had jumped back.
She's back now.
I don't know. I hope she does, but just have to wait, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Vasquez. All right, what's going on, Mr. Vasquez? Are you there? All right, let's keep it moving. Kane, what is your name, sir? Good morning to you. What's your last name?
Gardner?
Kane. He's just sitting there. Young man with the buttoned up shirt, black shirt, glasses. What's your name, sir? Yes, you. I can't hear you. You gotta unmute yourself. Or you have to turn on your audio, fix your audio. All right, let's go. Gamble, we're waiting on the city attorney for you.
Okay.
Who's on the phone at 488-9783?
Yes, that's me, Damon Gardner.
Damon Gardner, good morning to you.
Good morning, Judge.
Get a couple minutes. Excuse me.
Yes. Yeah, let me know. Yeah. All right, I got Damon Gardner for trial. I got Richard Gamble for trial. If the officers don't show up by 9:30, Mr. Faulkner will call the cases and get them out of here.
Okay, Your Honor.
Waiting on officer, let's see. Dodd, he has not checked in yet for Gamble. We're waiting on officer. Got all these tickets in here for Gardner. Okay, we got a problem. Bad. Hello?
I don't know, you have to come, when you come back on the floor, you have to ask me. Okay?
All right. Unmute yourself now under the name Jackie, please.
Good morning, Your Honor.
All right, good morning. What is your name?
Kane LaFountain, Your Honor.
Repeat that, please.
Kane LaFountain, Your Honor.
Fountain. All right, you're gonna wait until, see if he has an officer. Yours is set for trial as well. And test, he's not in the breakout room. So even the officers that we have, the individuals don't seem to have showed up. So we just got a few more minutes. well, we're waiting now.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay. We're in a holding pattern anyway. All right, let's see if we can get this. All right, so Mr. Vasquez.
Yes, Your Honor.
Vasquez, are we back? Are we, let's go back on the.
No, I don't have the proof of insurance, like a valid insurance at the moment. The paper is expired.
Okay.
So it's like from a month or two back. Could I reschedule a hearing for today?
Well, how long is it gonna take you to get that paperwork?
I'll say roughly an hour, maybe two. Not that long. I'm at work right now. That's why.
Come back first thing Monday morning. If you got it, if you're here, Tuesday morning. If you're here first thing, I'll get you out first thing, all right?
Okay, I have a question. So the blue one, it's not working at the moment. It's down. You want me to start bringing like the registration and the title?
No, bring in the paperwork to the car you're driving, all right? I want to just make sure you got valid insurance on the car you're driving, all right?
Okay. All right, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, pre-trial, September the 6th, 9/6.
Okay.
22. You get in here first thing, you show me the paperwork, I'll get you out, all right?
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, have a great day, sir. Have a good weekend. Good luck to you.
Have a good one. Bye.
Officer Orovitz,
Yes, Your Honor.
good morning to you. Which the person you're here on?
Good morning. I'm here on Martin Organis check. Last name is Organisciak.
See what's going on. All right, get this lawyer in here on the phone, please. Frank, back. 240. You told him he's got to come in at 248, 79, 2437.
2037.
Back.
Good morning, Attorney Becker. It's Jamira.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Richard Denard Gamble. Case number SP 1275816, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Paul Faulkner representing Mr. Gamble. Your name, sir?
here for the formal hearing today.
Richard Gamble.
Your Honor, today's date time set for trial on this matter. The officer's not appeared. Now 9:30. Move to dismiss.
All right, any officer died, having not seen him check in or her check in, I'm going to grant council's motion to dismiss, no officer. There's nothing further, Mr. Gamble, have a very good day.
All right, very, thank you. Have a nice weekend.
You have a better one.
All right, thanks.
City of Detroit versus King Samuel LaFontaine, case number SP 132-33131. Appearance for the record, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. Your name, sir?
Kane LaFountain.
Your Honor, today's date time set for trial. The officer's not appeared. I move to dismiss.
All right. Is there an officer contest the badge number 2852? Hearing no response, having not seen that officer appear in the breakout room, I'm gonna grant your motion to dismiss. Have a good day, sir. Good luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a wonderful weekend.
You as well. All right, this is the city of Detroit. Let me see what Mr. Gardner's got. Anybody here on Gardner? This is the city of Detroit versus Damon Myron Gardner. Let me see here.
Gardner here.
All right, I got you. Hold on a second, Mr. Gardner. Case number SP 128-812, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 138-5215, counts 1 and counts 2. And the U 48161518. Appearance for the record, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. Your name, sir?
Damon Myron Gardner.
Your Honor, today's date time set for trial. There's two officers we're waiting for. Officer Dara and Mega Chichio, I guess. Anyway, neither one have appeared.
That's Marty Dara. And we're also, and then we're waiting on a Phil Lociso. Oh, I'm not pronouncing that right, I know. Those are two take the date and time set for a trial on both of those matters. That's case number SP 1288125, counts 1 and counts 2. And then U 48161518. Go ahead on those cases. Today is the date and time set for a trial on those cases.
Your Honor, I move to dismiss. The officers have not appeared.
All right. I'm going to grant the motion to dismiss on those cases that I call. Now, let's call SP 1385215, counts 1 and counts 2. Today is the date and time set for arraignment on those cases. Go ahead, Counselor.
That's under Damon Gardner.
That's under Damon Gardner.
Okay. Well, I don't see it on the docket. I assume.
Yeah, it's not set for an arraignment until February 7th, 2023. Mr. Gardner, we can take care of these two cases now and set them on course for either a trial or get you an offer, or we can let you come back on February 7th, 2023. I don't know what you want to do. On the U48161518, I'm going to waive the warrant fee. You're going to be responsible to pay the reinstatement fee.
Okay.
All right. So what do you want to do as far as your, let's get them arraigned and we'll get this stuff going for the SP 1385215, counts 1 and counts 2. Those are misdemeanor, allowing an unlicensed light driver to drive. That is a non-abstractable offense. It is a misdemeanor. It does not carry any points. That is, the maximum possible penalty for that offense would be 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines. And then he has also a no insurance misdemeanor. That is a misdemeanor punishable by up to 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines. I'll offer your client allowing an unlicensed driver to drive $240 fine. I'll dismiss that upon payment and we'll dismiss the no insurance, or your client can go straight to trial on this.
Okay,
You want, let speak to him in a breakout room and explain to him. I know allowing is kind of like it's a difficult thing for somebody to prove if they didn't tell themselves, but join the breakout room, Mr. Faulkner, and speak with him, please. Okay, he's in the breakout room. Okay, good morning, Councilor Horn. I have Mr. David Lyons. He wants an offer on these cases.
David Lyons, Your Honor.
David Lyons. I
see him. I see him.
I set aside the default on the disregard the traffic control device back in 2020. I routinely have set those defaults aside due to the pandemic. So that would be included in it. So I have a defective steering, a no insurance misdemeanor, expired plates, a driver's license suspended, an improper license, and a disregard of traffic control device. I just want to make sure you have all of the knowledge. Now,
Okay, I just need a Secretary of State record, Your Honor.
All right, this is all off the record. Mr. Lyons, do you have a valid driver's license? You have to unmute yourself.
Sorry, Your Honor. Yes, sir. I do have a valid license.
All right, let's run his license first. We'll get the license. We'll get you that, Ms. Horn, and we'll move on. All right, for APA Cole, good morning again. I have a Sharita of Brentley that Lewis that has a disobeying of a police officer traffic signal. I don't know what the state is offering for those type of offenses, or would you like to have the trooper come in? We set this for a trial date. I was trying to see if Ms. Lewis wants to know what the offer was going to be. And Mr. Becker, good morning to you. I have an officer in the breakout room that I'm going to put Ms. Horn in the breakout room and speak with. And then we'll get you an offer for your client, and then present that offer to you. If you want to speak with the city attorney after that, then I'll allow that as well. All right. Good morning to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Let's stand by, and then we'll when we get ready, we'll get going.
Your Honor, how do I get into this breakout room?
Well, it hasn't been assigned yet.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
We're waiting on Ms. Horn. She's doing triple or quadruple duty probably. Can we get a driver's license for Mr. Lyons, SOS report for Mr. Lyons?
Your Honor, I can show it on. I can show it on screen if you like.
I was gonna comment on that, sir. You can show it on the screen, but that driver's license might not be worth the plastic it's printed on. So I'm gonna get the authority on it, and we're gonna see whether that's good or not.
Yes, sir. Okay.
We got ways to find out if that's any good.
Yes, sir. I got you.
Mr. Faulkner, have you spoken to the young lady who had the disobeyed police officer? That's a 2-point misdemeanor.
Who was that?
Sorry,
Lewis?
Your Honor. I'm sorry, Your Honor.
We were waiting for you.
Well, here I am.
Is there an offer?
Well, I kind of like to speak with you in a breakout room quickly.
Sure. Where are we going?
It's a Barbie doll.
Oh,
I collect Barbie dolls.
I missed was I supposed to be a part of that conversation, Ms. APA Cole?
No.
Nothing personal, Your Honor, but no,
I'm out of it.
we need a breakout room. That's all for
But Ms. Lewis,
Miss Cole and myself.
okay, what about Gardner down back? Was he ready to go?
Not guilty, trial date, bench trial date.
On the, okay, all right, let's
Yeah,
do
the two
that.
on the two that are up and next
Yes.
year. He's pleading not guilty. Ask the trial date sooner than that, Your Honor.
All right, let's go back on the record with Damon, Myron Gardner. Let's get Mr. Gardner, I've given you an opportunity to speak with Mr. Faulkner in the breakout room, and he indicates to me you want to just take this straight to trial, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right, I'm gonna set a trial date on 11. Hey, he said, why not? It worked for him. It worked for him today, right, Mr. Faulkner?
That's exactly what I told him, Your Honor. I said it happens.
It worked for him today. All right, I'm gonna set a trial date for November the 10th, 2022 at 9 a.m. for the other two matters. We're gonna dismiss those other matters. You're still gonna owe the court $45.
Okay.
All right. All right.
Yes, sir.
All right. If it's nothing further, then have a great day, sir. Good luck to you. Have a good weekend. All right.
And you too, Judge, and everybody.
Okay, Gardner, good luck on it.
All right. All right.
Here we go. Here we go. Mr. Gardner, Mr. Lyons, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lyons. He's got a valid driver's license, probably just barely. But it's almost like a mini novel here, his record. But nevertheless, the city attorney is just gonna offer you an expired plate, $145 to clear this up.
Okay. Can I have the next Friday to pay it?
So you can have the next Friday to pay it.
Okay.
All right. Mr. Faulkner, is that, that's all right with your client? Will your client stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the response?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. With that stipulation, will your client stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters?
Yes, Your Honor. Is this
Okay.
David Lyons?
Yes.
No, that's for Lyons. You can join the breakout room of APA Cole and speak on Lyons, please.
Oh, thank you.
Well, Lyons
That's
is
for
taking
Lyons,
that off
yeah.
probably.
Pardon me? He
Are
said
we-
he's gonna take them up.
Yeah,
He
okay.
knows- He knows when to hold them and knows when to fold them, Mr. Faulkner.
Yep. I'll take
My
my
time after usually my
145.
start at the game.
Is there a 2013? I got cases just keep on popping up in his name.
Wait, hold on. What cases?
Let's see.
I didn't see that one on the time. So it might be resolved, Your Honor.
Let's see what else he's got. He's lucky he's not Davion.
No, that's not me.
Davion Gardner. He got warrants all over the place. But Mr. David Terrell Gardner is not far behind. So what do you got, a 2000, you do? No, I don't see a 2013 case. Counsel.
I think that might be resolved. It was in the file, but I didn't see it on the docket sheet.
Yeah,
Your
it's
Honor.
resolved.
Yep.
Okay, so go ahead, Mr. Faulkner. You've done enough for Mr. Lyons today. Go speak with APA Cole regarding Lewis.
Just briefly.
All right, Mr. Lyons, do you, we're gonna, based on that stipulation your counselor made, I am going to find you responsible as written for the expired plate SP 1264536 count 2, and based on that other stipulation to probable cause because I'm gonna dismiss the other matters.
Okay.
So. $145, you said you need a week to pay. Let's get that payment in here by next week, 9/9/2022. Or if you don't pay it, that license won't be any good. So $145, pay it in any div that kiosk in the city of Detroit, or go online and pay that ticket, okay?
Yeah, I got the
Oh,
app
no,
on my
don't
phone.
pay it online. Don't pay it online. Come down to the courthouse and pay it, or pay it at any div that kiosk in the city of Detroit. And I'm told you can upload that div that app to your phone, all right?
Yeah, yep, I got the app, sir. Yep.
Oh, you got, yeah, I'm sure. You paid all your tickets. Oh, I got you. All right, have a good day, sir. Have a very good weekend, all right?
You too. All right, you too. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, let's get Counselor Becker, APA Horn. I'm gonna put Becker in a breakout room to speak with you regarding this client. This is a failure to stop ticket. Officer Cochran, I'm gonna give this Cynthia Gardner a few more minutes to check in, and then we'll call the case.
Okay, thank you.
Judge Massey, it's Sharita Lewis in a breakout room.
Certainly, may.
You don't have nothing to do? We don't have much, we're not gonna have any, I need to help me do this file. I need help with my file. They wanna start prepping files for Monday.
Yeah, what's Monday, Tuesday?
I mean, yeah, Tuesday, hold on, let me print you.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna have no show costs. You can come get them at 2 o'clock though.
All right, let's do it.
I need some help with this file. I haven't had time to. put it in the file. So, oh, wait, it's right here. So this is 6. And,
Ms. Horn, are you there?
you do it by time, but make sure you do it in alphabetical order.
Yeah, I'll keep it.
Okay.
What the, isn't the seventh Monday?
Monday is the 5th, but that, you can take this top one. Because this is the 8:30s. You don't have to do the 1 o'clock because they come from downstairs. They're already in order.
We'll just print a calendar and do that.
Yeah, you can just do the 8:25s and to the 9 o'clocks. I'll print you. 1 o'clock, you don't have to. They're already in order.
Ms. Horn, are you there? Okay, let's go back on the record with Ms. Sharita Lewis.
Ready, Your Honor.
Ms. Lewis, pardon me.
We're ready.
I've given you an opportunity to speak with Ms. Lewis in the breakout room, and I've given you an opportunity to speak with opposing counsel in the breakout room.
Yeah, she called me earlier. saying that the
Mr.
judge
Parker,
told
what's
me
gonna
to
go on
wait
with
till
this
the
case?
My client's going to continue her not guilty plea and questioning a bench trial date, Your Honor.
I figured that was gonna be the case.
She needed to wait until her court date.
And if Ms. Lewis has been listening, she already knows it's gonna be
Okay,
November
so she,
the
does it say it in the ROA? Okay,
2022 at 9 a.m.
I'm sorry, it's gonna be when?
November the 10th, 2022. She wasn't listening. November the
I
10th.
know someone was talking in the background.
She wasn't listening. No, you should have heard that from all the other people. November the 10th, 2022 at 9 a.m. All right.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Good luck on it, Ms. Lewis.
Thank you, sir. You guys have a good weekend.
You too.
Bye-bye.
All right, on the
Bye.
Samsung, morning to you, sir. What's your name, please? Yeah, unmute yourself.
So I don't know.
Jimmy Gray.
Jimmy Gray, right here. 8:35.
Why are you so late?
I apologize. I didn't realize.
This is the city of Detroit versus Jamie Gray, case number SP 1279797. Appearance for the record, please.
Paul Fong, a representative defendant. Your name, sir?
Jimmy Gray.
All right, today is the date and time set for pre-trial in the matter, and that was called the case number SP 128-97311 as well, into the record. Your luck today, Mr. Gray. This case, secure a loan, is that state case?
Yeah, I believe it is, Your Honor.
You want to just, I know Officer Jones is going to show up, but.
Yes, he will.
More than likely he will. I can either do one of two things, Mr. Gray. I can allow you to resolve this on November 10th, 2022 at 9 a.m. On a trial date. We'll get the officer in here, or I can get the state attorney in here now to see if she'll give you an offer now.
I really don't know. This is the one for the the load being secure or for the license plate not being on the trailer?
Well, this is gonna be for both now because,
Okay,
oh, this is two different tickets, so we're just gonna combine them both.
okay.
I mean, you wanna just, if Mr. Jones got you there too, he's watching, ain't he? All right.
Yeah.
You wanna just, trial-based service, resolve it all on that one day. Let's see what, it's just the fact of the matter is, both the tickets have, the one is a city, one is a state, so it's two separate attorneys. I have the
Okay.
city corporation counsel that's in here now, well, she's on Zoom, she's figuring out to offer somebody else. I can get APA Cole in here right now to give you an offer, but
Okay.
we can get there, did you get the plate displayed properly? If that was actually, I'm not asking your client, was he responsible at the
I got the
time?
plate secured.
I'm just asking the client,
I
is
secured.
the plate displayed properly, sir?
Unmute yourself, sir.
Yeah, he muted himself.
There you go.
That's just
Where's
a
the
yes
plate?
or no. Is the plate displayed properly now, sir?
Yes.
Okay, so, that's up to you. What do you want to do? You want me to call them up and get them in here? Or you want to just come back on the 11th? I mean, on, the 10th of November and just take care of it then?
I really don't know. I apologize for being late. So whatever's easier for
We
you.
already, we already got that taken care of. We're just talking about right now, what you want to do. You want to get it?
Yeah.
You want to?
I can wait. I have the trailer with me right now to show that the license is
All right.
secure.
Let me get APA Cole in here another time and we'll see.
Can I speak to him? Breakout, Your Honor.
Yes. Certainly may. As a matter of fact, I was wanting you to.
You can express your desires in words, so I do.
All right, Becker, Horn has not gotten back yet. She's in the breakout room. Join the breakout room, Mr. Gray, and speak to Mr. Faulkner. He's your defense lawyer today. He's an excellent, excellent lawyer. So talk to him, please.
Okay.
Your Honor, should I rejoin the breakout room?
Well, you can just sit tight right now. I'm waiting on corporation counsel to come back.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
So do I tap the breakout room?
Yes, please do.
He was about to stop.
You're trying to hide.
You see her.
I saw it.
It's definitely always like, so I'm telling you my assistant. He was like, okay, there he was, right? Hilarious.
You love life, don't you?
When I email her, you like,
take my assistant.
All right, APA code, one last time, I believe.
It's okay, Judge. It's always a pleasure to be in your courtroom.
Thank you so much. It's a pleasure having you. We have a Mr. Gray. He has a failure to secure a load ticket, and I'm gonna let you speak to Mr. Faulkner about it. I know Mr. Faulkner is gonna make some very good arguments on behalf of Mr. Gray. So I'm gonna put you in the breakout room, APA call. And he has a state case of failure to secure a load. Let's go back on the record momentarily, all right? Can you put your appearance on the record, APA call?
Certainly. May it please this honorable court, Paul will call on behalf of the people, P31888.
All right. We have Mr. Jimmy Gray, who has a failure to secure a load. And another time, he's a victim of Mr. Officer Jones, another improper display of plate. He indicates to the court that the plate is properly displayed now, not to say that it wasn't properly displayed then, because he has a right to remain silent and he exercised that right, but he has properly placed plate now. He's willing to show that, but that's a city case. And you have the failure to secure a load state case. So I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Faulkner and see what you guys can work this out, or I can just set a trial date for November the 10th, 2022. So join the room, please.
Thank you.
Do I join the breakout room as well?
No, you sit tight and let him take care of it, and he'll speak to you. No driving, sir.
Okay.
We don't want that. See what APA Warren is doing. If we can get her back in here, we have an attorney in here. I mean, yeah. I mean,
She on Zoom, she said she's gonna stay on Zoom.
well, she's not, I don't know where she is. Oh, she's on. Okay, go join the room, Attorney Becker.
Okay, thank you.
She on there.
I don't see the breakout room notice.
It should, I'm gonna put you in 3 and then switch it back to 2.
Thank you.
What happened? Let's get Officer Cochran out of here. I'm sorry. This is the city of Detroit versus Cynthia Garner. Case numbers. Let's see. Case numbers 217360, 871, and 217360, 881. Can you put your appearance on the record, Officer Cochran, please?
Yes, Your Honor. It's going to be Officer Kimberly Cochran, badge number 2325 for the Detroit Police Department.
Okay, very well. Let me allow the defense counsel, when he comes out, to break out and put his appearance on the record. I have your appearance, Officer Cochran. I'm going to issue a show cause in the matter to see if we can find Ms. Garner. And you have a very good day. Have a great weekend and be safe out there, okay?
Thank you, to Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Faulkner, can you put your appearance on the record for Cynthia Prancell Gardner?
Paul Faulkner, P 22994, represent the defendant. Is this a no-show, Your Honor?
No show, yes.
Your Honor, my client has not appeared in this matter, and I do not know where my client is. I have no excuse for her absence.
All right, I'll put a show cause and see if we can find her, all right?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Now, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gray. Mr. Faulkner, I've given you an opportunity to speak with Mr. Gray in the breakout room, and I've given you an opportunity to speak with APA Cole in the breakout room. But obviously, Mr. Gray's got some more important conversation going on in this court. But whatever. Mr. Faulkner,
apologize, Your Honor.
Your Honor, my client continues his plea. Okay, wait a minute, sir. Let me do the talking now. Your Honor, my client, Mr. Gray, pleads not guilty in question of bench trial date.
All right, that's what you want to do, Mr. Gray?
Yes.
All right, I got a trial date set for November the 10th, 2022 at 9 a.m., okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, Mr. Gray, if there's nothing further, have a very good day. Good luck to you.
All right, thank you.
Yeah, Your Honor, Ms. Cole asked if someone could email.
Let me check this one.
You can go, Mr. Gray.
You can go, Mr. Gray. Have a good day. Good luck to you. Be safe, all right? All right, Mr. APA Cole asked what?
That email the court date to her for Mr. Gray. I think he was afraid we were talking behind his back.
No, he wanted to come and he's a very apologetic person. He wanted to comment on me saying that he was on the phone, I believe. Okay. We have, that appears to be it. These other people did not show.
Well, it's up to you, Judge. I'll wait as long as you want me to.
Good morning to you.
Good morning. How you doing? This is Sharon Robinson. She always work on the marks.
I'm very familiar with this.
Are we holding Officer Orbitz for a reason or?
Yeah, that's, he's on this ticket here. For defense counsel this year.
Was it retained?
Yes.
Okay.
All right, she responded. She got the date.
Thank you, Judge.
Mr. Gray.
I just need Mr. Name starts with the O. I'm in the breakout room with him. I just need, I'll ask Madam Clerk for Secretary of State right there.
Very well.
Okay. These two are not printing. So this one. Well, those are the ones that- So these are the right ones that need the date to match the. Okay, remember you came in here and I told you. Right, but I can't enter it on that day. You can't do, because they were scheduled for different days. Because I got them this week, but that was last week, so. Well, this was, like, hold on. Remember we talked about this one because for some reason they were scheduled on 2 different days.
Excuse me. Can you get the Secretary of State?
Yes, here, you can give it to me. What's the defendant's
Here, right
name?
here.
Oh, okay, thank you.
I don't take a few minutes recess.
Oh, yes, that's it.
No.
You want me to stick around, Judge? Or
You, if you want, you're free to leave if you don't.
Judge, I'm here at your pleasure. So if you're done with me, I'll leave. But if you're not, I'll stay.
I was giving Mr. Faulkner an opportunity to make that decision.
Right, you know you hourly, Mr. Foster.
I'm sorry.
So you know you hourly.
Okay, well, I'll see everybody later.
Okay, Mr. Faulkner, good to see you. I'll talk to you.
Okay, Judge, thanks. Good to see everybody.
She had two separate.
Thank you, everybody too.
Yeah, one sent down for the 20. Right, I saw that. I saw. Okay, so this is the. So for the. Can I get the SOS? Yes, here you go. Thank you. Don't be trying. I'm like, hey, you talking now? You see me and but he the one said. I heard the judge. I was gonna sit here. I wasn't gonna say nothing. I didn't even know you didn't know. Can I see the 514? Okay, here. I wasn't gonna say nothing. I was gonna sit here till y'all was ready. You know I didn't. But once he said it, I was like, okay. So we can get up out of here. Sorry about that. See, I wouldn't have said nothing. I'm glad Tamika bully you, Sharon. No. I'm not sure anything like that. I will be here all day. Me too. Oh, at least the one. I'm not gonna have. Yeah. Okay, so it's an offer in here, but what else are we talking about? Were you scheduled for court today? No, I wouldn't have said. Okay. Yeah, you have to call me in the afternoon when you're not scheduled. Yeah. Because we have. I'll bring the file right. So call me this afternoon. I'll be here until about 5 o'clock. Okay, all right, you're welcome. Thank you, Myra. I have a file. I'm gonna keep talking to this. I'm just gonna be judged on.
Jamira,
Okay,
we're
so
waiting.
to the council, this,
We have somebody we're waiting on.
I think he's doing Mr. Organic.
Oh.
And so he took a recess. He'll be right back.
Got it. Okay.
All right.
Mm-hmm.
So B section 8 worker, that was really easy, and she said she remembers me.
Oh, good.
Is going to, and she was
To go to Belle Isle or something.
yeah,
Officer Orovitz, are you still here? This is Tamika Horn, the city prosecutor.
Yes, good morning. I'm still here.
Good morning. I'm sorry I haven't spoken with you. Did the defendant show up?
No, I don't believe so.
Okay. We're just waiting on the judge, okay?
Okay, thanks.
Sorry to keep you waiting.
No worries.
Okay, thank you so much.
Right.
Okay, are we ready to go?
I said you're gonna give her a date. Yeah, I give her. All right, thank you. Thank you.
You know, so it's getting kind of messy, unnecessarily. And this was just yesterday. So.
All right, are we ready to go?
Pulled the mesh up and he pulled.
We have a deal on Organiziak, Your Honor, on the 2 tickets.
All right. Are we ready, Ms. Williams Law?
But again, and that was earlier when they
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Martin Victor Organeski. Case numbers SP 072-371 and SP 137186661. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Frank G. Becker appearing on behalf of Martin Organiziak on the 2 tickets, 12371 ending, which was a speeding ticket, and the other one 8661, which was a stop sign ticket. Not on the same date, Your Honor.
Understood. What's the offer? I see pleading responsible to that speeding.
Responsible, it was changed to blocking traffic, Your Honor. That was my understanding, and the parking was dismissed.
Have a good deal on that.
Pardon?
I said, that was worked away. You got a good deal on that.
Yes, Your Honor. He has a good driving record, and he's a local businessman, and I think it's appropriate given his past record, Your Honor.
That still doesn't excuse the fact that he's going allegedly 26 to 30 miles an hour over the speed limit. I guess that's on 8 miles. So nevertheless, that is awfully excessive if it's according to that, but I'll allow it.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Will your client stipulate to the face of the ticket as far as your client being present? You want to address that, Counselor, first?
Yes, Your Honor. He operates a very small computer store on Joseph Campo. It's a retail store, and he's been struggling. He didn't get any governmental money by his own decision.
No, I'm just saying, Counselor, this is a civil infraction. Your client is not here. You want to waive your client's presence?
Oh, yes, Your Honor. Yeah, I was just trying to excuse why I'm here by myself. Yes.
No, it's civil infractions. You don't have to put anything.
No, yeah.
Yes, Your Honor. Madam Horn, you want to put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes, thank you, Your Honor. Tamika Horn appearing on behalf of the city of Detroit, P70303.
Okay. So I'm going to waive your client's presence as this is a civil infraction. Today is a date and time set for a formal hearing on SP 137186661, and we also include SP 137. Strike that SP 130723771 in on the record, as that was civil infraction as well. We have an offer to the amended count of blocking traffic. Where your client stipulate to the face, where you on behalf of your client stipulate to the face of the ticket as an act of factual basis for the responsible plea.
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
And will you stipulate to probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter?
Yes, Your Honor.
And so I'm going to find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic, $175, and dismiss the other matter. If your client can have that paid by September 16th, Counselor.
Thank you, sir.
All right, as there's nothing further, that should conclude the morning. So, Mr. Becker.
Your Honor, we do have Officer Oravitz here.
Oh, let's put Officer Oravitz onto the record.
Yep, and Lin Yoon, but he's here for, I believe, a defendant who did not show up today, which is 9 o'clock docket. Officer Oravitz, I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly, Officer. Lin Yoon is
Yes.
the last name. Okay, thank you.
No, good morning. I was actually on the previous case on Organishek. That's who I
Oh.
had a subpoena for.
Yes.
Oh my goodness, I would have talked to you before I did an offer. I just saw
Oh,
your
no
name.
problem.
I'm so sorry. Because I don't like to not talk to you when I'm making offers. I'm sorry, it won't happen again.
No problem. Yeah, I'm totally okay with what happened. So thank you so much.
Yeah, he had an impeccable record.
Put your appearance on the record, Officer Orvett.
Officer Timothy Orvitz, Badge 15, Detroit Police Department.
All right, very well, Officer Orvett. I'm sorry to keep you so long, but if there's nothing further, you have a very good weekend and be safe out there, okay?
All right, thanks. You do the same, Your Honor.
All right.
Thank you, officer. Be safe.
APA Horn, Corporation Council Horn, you have a very good day. I appreciate you filling in for us and have a very good weekend. Tell your daughter we said hi.
I will.